I am ElectroHackNewt, and in this video, I am going to talk about every official Arduino microcontroller board. The Arduino company started in 2005 and has made a lot of boards since then, so I won't go into each version of each board. By the end of this video, you will be an Arduino model expert. Let's start with the Arduino Uno, the classic. The Uno is the most iconic Arduino board out there. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for learning. It's great for LED blinkers, sensors, motors, and small gadgets. If you're just starting, this is where you begin. Number 2. Arduino Mega, the pin monster. Need more pins? The Mega is the Uno's big brother. It's not much faster, but it gives you a ridiculous number of inputs and outputs, ideal for complex control systems like 3D printers or large robotic arms. Arduino Nano series, tiny but mighty. Nanos are perfect when you need to shrink your project down. They've got the power of an Uno, but in a breadboard-friendly size. Newer Nanos add Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or even sensors built in. Number 4, Arduino Micro Leonardo USB Magicians. These boards can pretend to be a keyboard or mouse, making them ideal for automation, accessibility projects, or just weird USB gadgets. The Micro is basically a smaller Leonardo, like how the Nano is a smaller Uno. Number 5, Arduino Due, the 32-bit powerhouse. The Due is the first 32-bit Arduino board. It's fast, has more memory, and is perfect for more intensive calculations, audio, or real-time control. But be careful, it only runs on 3.3-volt logic. Number 6, Arduino MKR series, made for IoT. The MKR boards are designed for connected projects. They come in flavors like Wi-Fi, GSM, LoRa, and NB-IoT. They're slim, low power, and ready for serious wireless use cases. Number 7, Arduino NICLA series, tiny smart sensors. These tiny boards are loaded with smart features. The NICLA Sense Me packs in motion, air quality, and environmental sensors. NICLA Vision even has a camera and AI support, all in a coin-sized package. Number 8, Arduino Portenta series, industrial grade. The Portenta line is professional grade, dual cores, AI capability, fast I/O. It's made for machine learning, high-speed control, and industrial automation. You can even run Python or Linux on some models. Number 9, Arduino Giga R1 Wi-Fi all-in-one giant. This board gives you everything. 76 GPIO pins, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, camera support, dual cores. It's like a Mega and Portenta merged into one, ideal for big feature-packed projects. Number 10, Arduino Yun, web-connected hybrid. The Yun is a mix of Arduino and Linux, making it perfect for internet-connected projects like remote servers, local web pages, and IoT dashboards. It's niche, but powerful if you need both sides. Number 11. Esplora is a board shaped like a game controller, and it's loaded with sensors, joystick, light, sound, temp, acceleration, no breadboard needed. A fun way to learn coding fast. Number 12. Arduino Robot Wheels plus Brains. This is a full mobile robot with built-in Arduino boards. It's meant to teach robotics and programming without needing to wire a thing. A great learning platform that drives itself. That's the Arduino lineup, from humble beginnings to powerful AI and IoT tools. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more fun builds and breakdowns.